Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war.
Hi guys! So today, gagala tayo guys. Punta tayo ng Houston, okay? So here we go. Say hi my darling. Yung mask ko, buti na lang nasa bag na. Nakarito na. Ayan, see you there guys. It's a surprise. It's a beautiful place. See you!
In 600 feet, turn right onto Highway 6 North.
Ayan. Rent a bike if you want here. Cycle bike, ayan. Gusto nyo ng bike, pwede. Ayan, dito. I-download nyo. Ganda guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob para makita ninyo ha. Kaganda. See you there inside guys. Ayan.
Santa baby, I really do believe in you.
Ayan na guys, nandito na tayo. Ayan, Cherry Tourist Garden Pavilion. Ayan.
Never stop without you, never stop without you.
This is what I'm looking guys. Wow. Babe. So guys, we are here. This is the beautiful garden in Houston. I really love it and dream to come here since before, but we go on the other side. The other side is the Houston Zoo. So here we are. It's a little bit part because time check is 2:20. So it's nice to be here during Yan, si Habi, nag-enjoy na siya during afternoon time because we need to go somewhere else, so we come here early guys. Let's go there baby. I love. So I want to go on that side. That's what I'm looking for guys. So we'll go there and that side. So it's good that I wear a cap because it's very hot. Today it's hot. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot. Ayan na tayo guys. Andyan tayo. Pag after nandito guys, ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayan din sa likod ko. Ayan, makikita nyo. So it's very beautiful. So here, this is the Centennial Garden and Herman Park. The Herman Park is on the other side. That is the last time that we came. So this is my lot behind me. So here we can go inside later, but I want to go there first. Outside. It's my dream to be here. Yan. So that side also guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo my lot. Ano siya? So when you want to come here, I'm going to bring you here. This is really beautiful. Especially if the sunset is already down. Ayan, lakad muna tayo. It's so hot because we came early. And yan, kasi ayoko na baka hindi na naman kami matuloy. Paghapon na tinatamad na yung isa. So we better come early than late. Yan. almost here. My dream to be here. Yung si Habi na iiwan na siya. Guys, ang ganda ng park na to guys. Ayan. I dream to be here. Really. Ayan na siya. Ayan na. Ayan, ang ganda sa paa. Sarap sa paa ng Cory na fish guys. It's nice in the sea. Ayan. Sa pito, magaling sarap siya. Ayan. Ayan, magpapapicture muna si Habi dyan. Okay, ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan guys. So, that is from up and down. Ayan. The water now guys is little bit, kunti lang yun. Pag marami yan, maganda yan. Ayan, yan siya. From there, maganda yung view. Ayan. Ayan, may siya. Love, come here. Take me a picture. Ayan, magpa-picture muna tayo guys. Ayan na. Ayan, yan siya guys. Ayan, picture tayo. Ayan guys, super ganda dito guys. Punta na kayo yung mga nasa Houston. Please. Ayan. Visit here. Ayan, iikutin natin to siya guys. We will go around the back. Si Habi nag-i-enjoy. Kanina sabi niya pumunta na kami dito. Ayan. Ito talaga yung gusto kong makita. Ang ganda ng pagka-ng landscape. Picnic. Ayan guys, it's so beautiful here. Nakaka-relax yung view. Ang ganda. Yung mga tanim. Ayan, yung trees kasi magpupul na. Maganda pumunta dito pool kasi mag-change yung color ng mga leaves. Babalik kami dito sa December. Relax eh. Ayan talaga dito ang pinaka-entrance. Kaya lang walang parking lot. So naghanap kami. Ayan, babasahin natin to. So, Vicente. Siya pala yung So, mag-take muna tayo.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with
nila, hindi ko na inisa-isang picture si Habi ni sa isa niya kasi mahilig yan sa history. Ayan, ito sila yung mga iba-ibang country ito guys na from Colombia. Ayan, yung mga statue na nandito nilagay. Galing yan sila sa mga ayan, from the back you can see. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. So we will go inside after this. Come here na love. Ayan, nakakahiya, may dumadaan.
Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen.
Guys, ito mag-change ang nito kasi full na ang leaves nito. Ayan yung flower.
Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you?
Ang init guys, sobrang nainitan na si Habi. Mainit na rin yung ulo niya kasi sa harap. Okay, let's have a seat for a while if you want. Sarap dito guys, ang ganda. Ayan, may mga monument, yung mga namatay na mga mga hero. Ayan, Dr. Martin Luther King. This is Dr. Martin Luther King guys. Ayan. Because anytime is the right time to do the right thing. Dr. Martin Luther King. Ayan.
Okay. Had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just
Tata Gandhi.
as yours, smiling just as wide.
October 2. Mahatma Gandhi. He's an Indian guy. 1869 January 30, 1948. An apostle of truth, peace, and non-violence, who led India to freedom from British rule in 1947 and is held as the father of the nation. Ayan, si Gandhi.
And he could be what I like, what I like, what He's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Guys, yung view dito. Papasok tayo. So, let's go that side na. That side na. That side. Go back na. Yeah. Yeah. This side. Okay. Picture yung hubby ko, guys. Maganda siya. Pag maliit lang, ayoko na lumalaki. Guys, ang ganda dito. Marirelax talaga kayo, guys. Ayan. Maganda dito mag-picnic, love. Next time, we can do picnic that side. No? And the afternoon will come, we'll bring them. But 7 o'clock is going to be closed. Like 4 o'clock, we need to be here. Ayan. Sarap sa sapatos ko. Ayan, naglalan siya. O, diba? Nag-isa. Ayan, masaya na ang buhay. You don't need to spend money to go in a beautiful place, guys. Ang ganda dito. City ng Yus. Kabila naman yung isa pang park. Herman Park. Oh wow, ayan, roses dito inside. Yeah, love, take me picture in the, ayan, rose garden, ayan guys. Guys, ang sarap magpakasal dito. Oh, may siya. Oh, ayan, oh. Ang ganda, diba? Tan-tararan. Tan-taradan. Aba, yung isa, nagpahayahay ang buhay. And then, until there, guys, ang ganda. Diba? Rose garden ito, guys, ang tawag dito. Ang ganda, iikutin ko siya, guys. Ikutin natin. Ayan yung mga flowers, guys. Picturean mo ako dito, my love. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. Ayan, ikutin natin siya. Ayan, guys, oh. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda pagkagawa, guys. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Ayoko nang umuwi. My love, take me a picture. Papasal kami ulit dito, guys. Yan, ang ganda, ang dami. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Guys.
Can I feel the joy
Sarap
of
dito,
being with you?
Relax.
Can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me.
Punta tayo, guys.
All is not true.
Ganda ng mga pine
I
tree,
bring
guys.
some mistletoe with me.
Ganda. Ayan, dito na lang tayo.
Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you. Never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You. Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town.
Here.
Have you wrote your list?
Here also they
Get
got
up
us
for
here.
good. Hurry down the
From here, go the
chimney
From here, go the
tonight.
bus. Ayan,
I
guys.
wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby.
Diba?
I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you. Never start without you. Never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around fairies of December. You.
Ayun.
I see everywhere around fairies of December. You. Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town.
Let's go na, babe.
And I remember the presents and the lights in the trees, the smell of chestnut boiling on the heat. And I remember dreaming, buried in a comfy blanket that I will never forget. When I was waiting for the snow to fall to make a giant snowman, my heart was jingling over and over.
it's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep reminded.